gonna be on the side, and she's gonna be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe they're playing Miley Cyrus, and y'all gonna be like jamming out. And then she's gonna be like, dude, I hate this. We need some Bollywood. Hit it, DJ. Okay, and then the music's gonna start. Okay, and you're gonna be like, remember how when you look at the diagrams, you're in a W? You're gonna be just like that, but a lot tighter. Okay? So for the first 4 counts, you're gonna just kind of look at her like, whoa, and like kind of make sure that you're in your W. And then for the next 4 counts, you're gonna nod like, I could catch this groove. Yeah. Okay, so you're in your tight W and you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're gonna spread for 8 counts so that you're right where you're supposed to be when you start your like dun 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 or whatever you're doing, okay? So we're gonna spread, and then after those 8 counts, you're gonna do a shoulder, 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 and turn. Imagine that was the audience. So like, if you're the audience, it's gonna look like this. Since I'm trying to show you what it is. Right shoulder with a little hip, left shoulder with a little hip, right shoulder with a little hip, and turn. Okay? So let's see what that looks like all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spread 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder 2, 3, and turn. Cool? You're gonna be like 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're just kind of going up on your toes like this, and always add a little hip. There you go. So like right toe means right hip, left toe means left hip, and your right hand is on your hip like this. 2, 3, and 4. And then you're gonna go up on your right toe and come in with your hip. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So you went shoulder, 2, 3, and turn. Walk 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool? You still with me? Okay. Then watch my feet parallel. If you can kind of zoom in. I'm sorry I haven't had a pedicure in a while, so please excuse the cracked heels and gross toes. Okay. So you just end it here. You're just gonna do like a quick change. So like just step to your left toe, and then your right toe, and then your left toe, and then your right toe. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and your arms are gonna go up, down, down. And when you go down, it crosses like this. So it's gonna look like this. Okay? So full move is gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then here comes a little complicated beat, okay? You're gonna go and toss, and up, and down. Cool? So you're gonna go shoulder, 2, 3, and turn. Walk 2, 3, 4, and hip 2, 3, 4. Up, down, and toss, and up, and down. Cool? Okay, and then that's when Marjani starts, and you know all of that, all of these moves. Goodness. Cool. We're gonna move on to the end of Jay's move. Here we changed a little bit because we thought, or I thought, it was kind of boring to do this for 12 counts. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4, just like you're used to. For the second 4, your hands are gonna be doing this cool wave thing. And you're gonna turn 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, you know how you're supposed to form that big circle? Now you can just kind of like step into the circle so you can see where you're going. Plus, okay, so you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're gonna go into your circle, and then whoa, and then in your spot, and then you're gonna move. We're gonna try to make one big circle. Here's our next move. Left hand goes kind of behind your head, like you're doing a crunch. Right hand is gonna go out in front of you, palm up, like this. And kind of like bop it like this, like you're almost like pulling your right shoulder in. Okay? So if everyone's in the circle like this, you're just gonna go out, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're gonna do 2 quick spins. Out, into the middle, out, into the middle. Okay? And then the next move, I'm just gonna teach you the move, and then hopefully when you get here, you'll kind of figure out like where to go. You're just gonna follow whoever's leading you out. Here's the move. I'll show you from the front, and I'll show you from the back. Out, out, in, and in. Out, out, in, and in. That's right, it's like Grease. So your hands are gonna do kind of like a jazzy hands thing, but first let's do the feet. Okay, you're gonna step out, and then take a little step back, and a little step back. So you wanna be able to like move with it. So essentially you're taking like big steps, and a little step, and a big step, and little steps, and big steps, and little steps. Cool? Your hands are like jazz hands to this corner, and then jazz hands to the left corner. And then you want to almost like put your hands in your pockets, but just touch your hip here. Right hip, and then left hip. So out, out, in, and in. Out, out, in, and in. Out,